If you're ready to start using the Lotus Lantern app with your LED strip, the setup is actually pretty simple. First, download the app from the App Store or Google Play and install it on your phone. Once installed, turn on your LED strip and make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your device, since the app connects through Bluetooth. Open the Lotus Lantern app and allow it to scan for nearby devices. Within a few seconds, your LED strip should appear in the list. Tap on its name to connect, and if prompted, create an account or log in to continue. After pairing, you'll land on the main control screen where you can choose from solid colors, gradient effects, flashing patterns, or music reactive modes. Most modes let you adjust brightness and speed, giving you full control over how subtle or dynamic you want the lighting to feel. You can also use the color picker to create custom shades using a color wheel or precise RGB values. Features like music sync and scheduling add extra flexibility, allowing your lights to react to sound or turn on and off automatically, making the whole experience both fun and convenient.